Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. So guys, today I am going to share how to use this Earth Rhythm or any microfiber cloth to clean your makeup. So guys, this is a microfiber cloth or you can say microfiber pad. This is from the Earth Rhythm. And now I am going to use this to remove my makeup. And I have applied almost full coverage waterproof foundation. And let's see how it will remove my eye makeup or waterproof eyeliner and waterproof foundation or not. How to use this: just soak into the water and squeeze out the excess one, and now this is ready to remove the makeup. You can use the warm water also, but I have used the normal water, means the normal temperature water I have used. Now I am using a hairband to tie my hair, or either I use to tie my hair before the cleansing process. And let me remove this also. And now just rub this in the circular motion on your face. I am wiping off my cheeks makeup, then I will move on to my chin makeup. Let's see if this removes my makeup or not. This is of microfibers and this will just clean your face just like the deep cleansing. You can see that eye makeup has been removed and I do not feel any itchiness on my eyes while using this. This is the biggest advantage. And guys, you will not need cotton, means you will not need tissues, cotton to remove your face makeup by using a makeup cleanser. This is just sufficient, I feel so. And by the way, my lipstick was not waterproof. Let's see how it will remove the waterproof lipstick or not. I am trying to test this with a waterproof lipstick as well. This one is the Maybelline Superstay lipstick and this is just waterproof. Let's see if this gets removed completely or not. I am just rubbing this in back and forth motion and this will take some time, but this will get removed, I feel so. Let's see. So guys, as you can see that it has removed the waterproof lipstick also. Just a little bit of stain is left, which is just negligible, and it has cleaned almost all of the makeup, be it waterproof or not. The cleaning of this microfiber cloth is also important as it has to be hygienic when you clean your makeup by using this. So it should be completely clean. Just like you wash your sponges, just wash this just like that. You can use any mild shampoo or cleanser or any mild soap while washing this microfiber cloth, and this is completely as hygienic as you are using any makeup cleanser. So guys, that's it about the today's video. It was about this Earth Rhythms microfiber cloth for the makeup removal purpose. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.